how to look at upvoted posts on Reddit app. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, PeopleInvestNet, and today I'll guide you on how you can look at all of your upvoted posts on Reddit. Now if you have upvoted post and you are looking forward to look at it, then here is how you can do so. First things first, you want to open up your Reddit application. You want to make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, what you want to do is you want to tap on the profile icon that you'll find at the top right corner of your screen there, and here at the bottom you can see settings, and above settings you can see the history option. Right, you want to tap on history. Now here on history you can see the recent option at the top left corner below the history. You want to simply tap on recent option there, and you can see the upvoted option. Simply tap on upvoted and you'll be able to see your upvoted post here. So this way you can look at upvoted post on Reddit application. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave any comments down below if you have any further issues.